Hi and welcome to my studio. I'm Polina from Katsan SVG. I've got an Etsy shop for digital downloads, and sometimes I like to share my projects with you and my working process. So if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today we are going to make some very cute earrings. I actually created the laser cut file a couple of days ago. While painting those little details on them, I thought it might be really fun to have them printed on my UV flatbed printer. I've got Mimaki 3042. This is the smaller version. Let me share my process with you and you might decide to give it a try. I actually added those files, the print files, to the set, so if you get the laser cut files, you will also get the EPS files that you can use with Mimaki. So let me show you how I do it. Here's my UV printer, and let me prepare the plate for my prints. As I will not make a huge batch, I will use some paper to make my jig on it. This model doesn't have vacuum table, so I need to tape them, and I like to make it slightly larger, and this is what I use. Some tape. It's important to tape it well because the paper is light, and when the print head is moving it might take this up and this will mess with your prints. So be careful, spend enough time on carefully taping the paper. Okay, so we are done with this. Make sure to press your tape well, and let's go to the computer. So let me show you how I start. This is what you see on your screen. This is Mimaki Rasterlink, the software my printer works with. And now I need to import my files. I start with those that have outline in their name, like bunny bow outline, bunny flower outline, these are the 4 files, and I intend to use the jig function for this print. First I will arrange them, and then I will go here to jig print, and I will make a template that works for them. This one should be fine, you see, but I want to check. Let's give it a name. Earrings. This one is fine. We don't need to be very precise with the size of the jig today, because we have enough space, and we only want these outlines to be printed. So one by one I will check if they are in the correct position. Here the carrots are turned, so I will click off, and these are fine. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do in order to speed up the process a bit is I will change the quality to 600. You might want to print a couple of layers of the outlines, so these outlines will be slightly raised and it will be easier for you to position your pieces, but I won't do it right now. It's completely up to you. And now I'm going to print it. And they are done. These are our outlines. I've got my pieces cut. You see the ladybug, the carrot. I used transparent acrylic, and I will make them two-sided. Basically, the design will be visible on both sides. So let me arrange those on the outlines, and we will continue. Now I'm taking each piece and trying to put it the best I can within the outlines. Be careful because I created a very small bleed of the print files, but it's only a couple of pixels, so you need to be really careful when placing your pieces on the table. Now let's arrange the files, the actual print files. It is important to go in the order that you have your outlines. So I usually go in alphabetical order because this way I won't mess it up. First I open the file that has white in the name. Sometimes there is a difference, that's why I name white and color in a different way. Bunny bow, we open the white and the color. So here I'm going to create a white plate using this black file and also the clear plate, and I will delete it. We don't need this anymore. But as we are going to print on transparent acrylic, I want to have one color layer at the bottom. With Control B I move my layers down. So we have one color layer, then white, then color, and then we have the clear plate. And this time I want it to be glossy, and it's important to change the quality to 600. Okay, we are done with the first one. Now we need to compose. Alt plus M, and we go to the next one, bunny flower. Okay, that's fine. Bunny flower. Let's check if the order is the same. Bunny bow, bunny flower, carrots, and ladybug at the end. And now in order to be able to use the jig print function, we need to arrange those. Good. It is important to use the same jig print as for the outlines. Again, the carrots are turned 90 degrees, so we need to fix this, but first let's select our jig earrings, click off for the carrots, the rest is fine. Okay, and now we can click go. Let's go. The magic happens. Let's see how we did. They look great. You can see here the bleed. It's really small, but this makes the earrings nice because there is no blank space around the edges, and even if you move a bit, it will print it all. I will show you. Here they are. I've put them on a turning table so you can see both sides of the earrings. Super cute. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for spending your time with me, and I hope you enjoyed this.